It is Monday afternoon, December 9th, 2024, NOLA, New Orleans, Louisiana. We are aboard a RTA, Regional Transit Authority, Canal Street streetcar going south down Canal Street toward the mighty Mississippi River. About 71 degrees Fahrenheit today. And it's 3:50 p.m. Have a look inside this streetcar. Busy time of day. South Rampart. Once again, it is Monday afternoon, December 9th, 2024. Canal Street streetcar on Canal Street heading south toward the mighty Mississippi River from the other end of the line cemeteries. New Orleans, Louisiana. Monday afternoon, December 9th, 2024. Over and out.